guys, welcome back. Today's video is a fun one. I'm filming a Q&A with my twin sister. She's right here next to me. Oh, you can see her? Okay, let's bring her in. Say hi. Saluda a la gente. Hi. Rude. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I have a few questions, 10 to be more exact. And the first one is from Cecilia, and she asked, when and how did you get the idea to start making videos, and what is your goal with your channel? Well, I had this idea in my mind for a very long time, but I never had the guts to do it. Because I always used to make excuses like I don't have the right camera, I don't have the lighting, I don't have enough makeup, blah blah blah. I remember I bought my first hair extensions and I had no idea how to apply them, how to blend them with my natural hair, and I looked on YouTube for tutorials, for hair tutorials, and that's how I found Nicole Guerrero. And I'm talking about 2009, 2010. What? Yeah, I remember it was 2010 when we just moved in this town. I wish this was a town, but this is the smallest village I ever seen, right? So yeah, since 2010 I wanted to start filming videos, but yeah, you know what they say, better late than never, right? Yeah, it's kinda late. And what is my goal with my channel? Well, I haven't set a goal yet for my channel. Yeah, that's why your channel is not going anywhere. Oh, thank you for encouraging me, and probably you're right. I should probably set a goal for my channel. I know that I said previously when I'm going to hit 10K, I'm going to do a huge giveaway. 10K? Really? I'm asking for too much, right? Girl, 10K is not 1K, so... yeah, that's a lot, but hey, you never know. Maybe tomorrow you wake up and bang, 10K subscribers. I wish, but that doesn't happen overnight, so yeah, a girl can hope. Next question is in Spanish, and Noemi asks, ¿cuál es tu secreto para pintarte los dos ojos iguales con el eyeliner? Can I answer first? Okay, go ahead. I'm going to be a little bit shady, but you're so bad at doing eyeliner. Just saying. You're mean. But can you say that in Spanish? No, you say it. Ok, lo que ella dijo es que estoy mal haciendo el delineador y te doy toda la razón. I mean, you aren't shady at all. Nunca me salen idénticos en los ambos ojos. Siempre hay uno que es diferente. Yeah, no soy perfecta. Next question is from my best friend Simona, and she asked, why are you so damn hot? Well, I'm not, and you know that very well, but you are hot. You look amazing. I'm so proud of you. Congrats. Mwah. Kiss you. Oh, you're right. You're not hot. I'm hot. Yeah, right. Have a seat, please, and wait for me to believe that. Next question is from Maria. I did a collaboration with her a few months ago, and she asked, how can you be so gorgeous? Oh, please, I am not. You are gorgeous. Oh, she is. I know, right? Well, this year in September, it's been 10 years since we moved here in Spain. 10 years. Wow, it's kind of crazy how fast time flies. Yeah, that's crazy. I wish I was a little child again. Oh, same. Next question is also from Simona, and she asked, If you would have the opportunity to collaborate with someone famous or popular, who would you choose and why? Oh, this is a hard one. I don't believe you. So definitely I would choose in between Nicole Guerrero and Kathleen Lights. It's a hard decision because I love them both equally, so I'm sure that I will go with Kathleen Lights because I love her so much. She's so relatable, she's so down to earth, she's so, I don't know, she's relatable. That's the right description. So I don't know, I feel like I would bond with her so much that we will end up being best friends. Yeah, in your dreams. Yes, you're right. In my dreams, we are best friends already, so... Next question is also from Simona, and this time she asked me in Spanish because I have to have a variety of languages in today's video, and she asked how many languages you speak. ¿Cuántas idiomas hablo? Pues hablo 3 idiomas, rumano, inglés, español, pero también entiendo muy bien el catalán, pero no lo hablo porque no quiero. You hate it. Oops. And last but not least, also Simona asked if I have a boyfriend, and you already know the answer, but yes, I do. I do have a boyfriend. I don't have a boyfriend. What? You don't even exist? What? They can see me. Of course I exist. I can't with her. But I exist, you guys. I'm here. You can see me. She can see me. Hello. This is so confusing. I think we should end this video here because I'm getting a little bit confused. Of course you exist, but only in my head. You are that annoying voice that I keep hearing all the time. You are annoying. Just let me leave. Okay guys, that's it. There's no more questions left, and I didn't got many questions, but thanks to my girl Simona, she saved the day literally, and she came through with some extra questions, so thank you Simona for that. And yeah, I hope this video was entertaining, maybe a little bit funny. I don't know, let me know down below what do you think. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more fun videos with me, of course. Sure. Okay, take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Blow a kiss with me. Mwah. Bye guys.